Hello, Corbett Prep, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Chris. Today we are going to make two different healthy and delicious smoothies. You will need a blender. Let's get started. For our first smoothie, you will need 1 cup of strawberries, 1 banana, 2 to 3 ice cubes, 1 cup of almond milk or any kind of milk or milk substitute. I'm using almond milk because our house is trying to limit our dairy intake. Trim the green part off of the strawberries, then peel and cut the banana into chunks. Now we can add everything to the blender cup. You can add the ingredients in whatever order you like. I had a few too many ice cubes, so I removed a few to help the lid close tightly. Place the cup onto the blender and blend for 10 to 20 seconds. The smoothie will be well combined and easy to drink. Remove it from the blender and pour it in a glass and enjoy. For the second smoothie, you will need 1 banana, 1 apple, 1 mandarin orange, and 1 cup of spinach leaves, plus a little bit of water. Peel and cut the banana into chunks, then peel and cut the apple into pieces and remove the seeds. Then peel the orange, making sure to remove as much of the white stringy part as possible. Once again, we will add everything to our blender cup. The great thing about smoothies is you can put any kind of fruit you like. You can add pineapple, kiwi, berries, anything you want, even some protein powder. Now we will add just enough water to come up about halfway up the cup. Place the cup on the blender and blend for 10 to 20 seconds until the smoothie is nice and smooth. Pour it into a cup and enjoy. I drank most of the first smoothie while I was making the second one, so sorry about the picture. This is Chef Chris reminding you that you are what you eat, so eat well to be well. See you next time.